best friend, that's my best friend.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naraya for those that are new here. So this video is a little bit different. We're gonna do a huge wig transformation. As you can see from the title, we are working with Tuneful hair. It is an AliExpress vendor. Very excited to work with them. They sent me over this bomb 26-inch 13x6 frontal. The 613 on this lace was amazing. The hair quality was amazing, and you guys will see in the video I am going to be dyeing this hair. Just a mini tutorial at watercoloring the hair. I feel like this method is very easy. I did do a little bit of the Adora dye that I had, and then I had some other red dye that I picked up from Walmart. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't sure what was gonna happen. I was trying to go for a dark burgundy reddish look, so I let the hair sit in the water for a while. I think over an hour, to be honest. Before I did that, I did spray my lace with my got-to-be spray. That is very vital so that you don't tint the lace, and I almost forgot to do that mid-install, so I'm glad I caught that. But that is me pretty much dipping the hair in the sink. And yeah, I let that sit for a while. That sat for like over an hour. And then it gave me this final look. This was the next day, you guys. I blow dried the hair, let it air dry overnight, and baby, this is what we got. I really appreciate this company for the amount of parting space that you had on this lace. This 13x6 is a true 13x6. It is very long, very wide. You can part this any way you want. I was really happy with the lace on this wig. So I'm going in with a little bit of glue just so we can get some adhesive. I've been loving the glue vibes lately. And yeah, I mean, that was pretty much it. The hair was still a little wet in this state, so I'm kind of just gonna let the music ride so y'all can see the process here. This is pretty self-explanatory, and then I'm gonna get back on here when I start to style the hair, because yeah, I think that's worth mentioning.
But I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me.
As you guys can see, I'm parting the hair. It goes back extremely far, but if you can look in the middle, you see how the middle is a little bit lighter in color than the rest of the hair. And that was my fault typically, because I did not saturate the dye throughout the wig. So I thought I'd just mention that if you are someone out there that's dyeing hair. Mind you, the hair was still a little bit wet in the state, so I was making it do what it do. But I just wanted to mention that, you know, you want to make sure that you thoroughly saturate the wig so that you don't have that issue. I mean, it still turned out very pretty. I mean, you really can't tell, but you know, there is a prominent difference in the middle of the hair. So yeah, but it's still bomb, still bomb. And I'm just so happy with the quality. Even with me dyeing this wig, I experienced no shedding, nothing from this unit. The unit was straight, still turned out bone straight, did exactly what it needed to do. This hair bounced back pretty well. exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you
for the brick, you know that. Control them, slow the pace, and right the back. All this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy with a bit. It's all I can. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's just physical. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh, oh. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, 'cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
All right, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I really like the swoop over method. I think it's cute, it's classy. It definitely gives it more of a classier vibe if you're not someone who's really into bright hair. I love it. I think it turned out to be amazing. Do not forget to check our sponsor out, Tuneful Hair. I'm sure they'll have what you need, even if you're not into the 613. You see how that rhymes? That's cute. Until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.